Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bootrec RebuildBCD Total identified Windows installations. Boot with Bootable CD. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Bootrec /RebuildBCD. Identified Windows installation is 0. Type BCD edit /export /BCD backup. Type attrib /boot /BCD -h -r -s. Type ren /boot /BCD BCD1.old. Type Bootrec /RebuildBCD, type Y to continue. Type exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.